Hi all, in this video we are going to look at render catch format. You can find this option under project settings in DaVinci Resolve. So on our project settings, master settings, optimized media and render catch, you can find this render catch format. Mainly there is three format: DNX HR, uncompressed and GoPro Cineform, and the different bit they provide. First of all, if your footage is 8-bit on uncompressed, you can use the 10-bit format, and GoPro Cineform you can use 10-bit format. And for DNX HR, the 8-bit format is DNX HR HQ, and it is available, but don't use that DNX HR HQ because the quality of DNX HR HQ is not that good if you are using lot of noise reduction, because there will be banding on your clip. So for DNX HR, use DNX HR HQX. And the thing to note is that all these three format is good quality format. That means you can use this format on your final project output. But if you are not going to use this render catch on your final project output, then you can use lower quality one like DNX HR SQ, DNS HR LQ, because they will consume less space and the quality is not that bad for preview, but your final output, as you are not using this render catch, will still use the original video, so the final output quality will be good. And the next thing is that all these three format is uncompressed format, so the quality difference between these three format is not that big. It is very small and you can't really tell the difference between these three format. So the quality difference between these three format is negligible. Then the next two things that you want to know about these three format is the time taken to complete this render catch and the size consumed by the render catch. I did comparison of these three format on my system, and the thing that I want to share is that for the size consumed by these three format, you can check my data, but about the time taken to complete this render catch will be different based on your GPU. So you need to do a test of your own to find the format which is taking less time on your system. So here is my comparison. GoPro Cineform takes less time compared to both DNX HR and uncompressed. It is around 1 minute faster compared to both. And this DNX HR and uncompressed took around same time. And about the storage consumed, GoPro Cineform took less space compared to DNX HR, and DNS HR took less space compared to uncompressed. Uncompressed is the one which consumed big space. So for the space consumed, you can check this data, but for the time consumed, do a test on your system and find the difference and find the one which is best for your system. So that's it. That's all about this video, guys. I hope you guys find this video useful. If you do so, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.